Hello everyone, let's do the exercise 9.2 today. See the first question. Find the product of the following pairs of monomials. താഴെയുള്ള monomialsന്റെ products ആണ് കാണാനുള്ളത്. That is, we have to multiply that monomials. First one is 4 and 7p. Let's multiply 4 into 7p. First we multiply the numbers. 4 into 7 is 28 into p. Second one, minus 4p and 7p. The answer will be minus 4p into 7p, which is equal to minus 4 into 7. Minus 4 into 7 into p into p. So നമുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പെട്ടെന്ന് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. First you multiply the numbers, then the variables, which is equal to minus 4 into 7 is minus 28. P into p is p square. Minus 28 p square. Third one is minus 4p 7p cube. The answer will be minus 4p into 7p cube, which is equal to, first we multiply the numbers. Minus 4 into 7 into p into p cube, which is equal to minus 4 into 7 is minus 28 into p into p square cube. This is minus 28 p square cube. Next, 4p cube minus 3p. 4p cube into minus 3p is equal to 4 into minus 3 into p cube into p, which is equal to 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. P cube into p raised to 4. Next, 4p and 0. Answer is 4p into 0, that is 0. Second question is, find the areas of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their lengths and breadths respectively. താഴെ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുള്ള ലെങ്ത്തും ബ്രെഡ്ത്തും ആണ്. We have to find the area of the rectangle. Okay, we know that area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay, so for the first case, it is the length is equal to p and breadth is equal to cube. Okay, so the area is equal to L into B, that is p into q. It is p cube. Second one is, the length is 10m and the breadth is 5n. So the area is equal to 10m into 5n, which is equal to 10 into 5 into m into n, which is equal to 10 into 5 is 50, m into n is mn, 50 mn. Next is length 20x square and breadth 5y square. So the area is equal to 20x square into 5y square, which is equal to 20 into 5 into x square into y square, which is equal to 20 into 5 is 100 into x square into y square is just x square into y square, that is 100 x square y square. Next is length is equal to 4x and breadth is equal to 3x square. So area is equal to 4x into 3x square, which is equal to 4 into 3 into x square. equal to 4 into 3 is 12 into x into x square is x raised to 3. Next, length is equal to 3mn and breadth is equal to 4np. So area is equal to 3mn into 4np, which is equal to 3 into 4 into mn into np. This is equal to 3 into 4 is 12, m, then n into n is n square p, 12 mn square p. Third question is complete the table of products. Here there is a table. You should draw this table in your notebook, then find the product. That is here here the first monomial is given, okay, and here the second monomials are given. We have to multiply. We have to find their product in each column, okay. Here 2x into 2x, that is 4x square. Here minus 5y into 2x, okay, minus 5 into 2 minus 10 xy. Then ഇവിടെ 3x square into 2x. ഈ ഓരോ കോളത്തിനും കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള റോ നോക്കിയിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ മോണോമിയൽ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക. സോ ഹിയർ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് 6x raised to 3. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ എല്ലാ കോളംസും നിങ്ങൾ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. Fourth question, obtain the volume of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. Okay, here we have to find the volume. We know that volume is length into breadth into height. Volume എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് length into breadth into height ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഓരോ കേസിലെയും ലെങ്ത്തും ബ്രെഡ്ത്തും ഹൈറ്റും തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഓരോ മോണോമിയലിനെയും മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാണ് വേണ്ടത്. The first case is 5a 3a square 7a raised to 4. We have to find the volume, and volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So here it is equal to length is 5a, breadth is 3a square and height is 7a raised to 4. So volume is 5a into 3a square into 7a raised to 4, which is equal to, first we multiply the numbers, 5 into 3 into 7 into a square into a raised to 4, which is equal to 5 into 3 15, 15 into 7 is 105 into a square, a raised to 3 into a raised to 4 അല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ എന്ത് വരും, a raised to 7. എത്ര ടൈംസ് a വരുന്നുണ്ട് എന്നാണ്, അത് ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി, പവേഴ്സ് ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഒരു a ആണുള്ളത്, അപ്പോൾ ഒരു a ഇവിടേക്ക് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അത് a raised to 3 ആയി. again a raised to 3 ഉം a raised to 4 ഉം കൂടെ വരുമ്പോൾ 3 plus 4 7, a raised to 7. So it is 105 a raised to 7. Second is 2p 4q 8r. So the volume is equal to 2p into 4q into 8r, which is equal to 2 into 4 into 8 into p into q into r, which is equal to 2 into 4 is 8, 8 into 8 is 64 into pqr. Next is xy, 2x square y, 2xy square. Volume is equal to xy into 2x square y into 2xy square, which is equal to, first we multiply the numbers, 2 into 2 into xy into x square y into xy square, which is equal to 2 into 2 is 4. ഇനി x എത്ര ഉണ്ട് നോക്കാം, x into x square x raised to 3 into x raised to 4. ഇനി y ഉം y square ഉം y raised to 4. Okay, 4x raised to 4 y raised to 4. Next is A, 2B, 3C. Volume is equal to A into 2B into 3C, which is equal to, first we multiply the numbers, 2 into 3 into A into B into C, which is equal to 2 into 3 is 6 ABC. Now see the fifth question. Obtain the product of these monomials. Okay, same way ഇതേപോലെ തന്നെ monomials 3 monomials കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇതുപോലെ തന്നെ 3 മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസേഴ്സ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമുക്ക് മോണോമിയൽ, മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈയിങ് എ മോണോമിയൽ ബൈ എ പോളിനോമിയൽ എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, സീ യു നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്. താങ്ക് യു.